So imagine this is your website, right? You have new awesome features that you want to roll out, but you don't want to roll it out to all your users, or you just wanted to have a switch that you can just pull back whenever something that went wrong, right? So what you can do is you can just add a new feature flag from MIDA. So under the feature flag, you can just press add a new test. So right here, my first flag, for example. So enable flag, and right here you can configure what are some of the conditions you wanted to release it. So for example, I wanted to only release the feature to a small group of people, that is maybe someone that's from Portugal, let's say. I only wanted to enable this feature to a small group of user that's coming from Portugal. So, and then after that, you just copy this code right here and save it. Now we have created our first feature flag, which is called my first flag. Now come back to the website. So right here, all you needed to do, so first of all, you need to include the MIDA script. And then second of all, you can just include the code, script, insert the code, and with my first feature flag, if the flag is enabled, you wanted to do something right here. Let's say we only wanted to show the new awesome feature to whenever someone have enabled the feature flag, right? So right here, maybe we can just hide this by default. So display none. So we are hiding the new awesome feature. Let's give it an ID. So awesome feature. So this is the awesome feature, which is done. So right here, we'll just, if the MIDA flag is enabled, we'll just show the awesome feature that you have. Document.query selector feature and style display equals block. Now let's preview it. So this is the website. And as you can see, the new awesome feature is not showing up. And it is possibly because of the country location. It's only whitelisted in Portugal, and I'm not from Portugal. So let's just remove this. So there's now this flag is only controlled by to enable or disable. So I'll just save this and go back to here and refresh this page. And there we go. As you can see, the feature is enabled. So for product manager, if you wanted to pull the plug after the features was developed and you wanted to pull the plug, you can just go back to MIDA, edit flag, and disable the feature flag and save it. So after you have disabled the flag, so if you just come back here and refresh this page, the feature flag is gone now. So yeah, so that's how you can utilize on feature flag to show or to enable or to disable a certain feature on your website. And I hope that helps. Thanks.